What is Opuntia? Opuntia, generally known as prickly pear or cactus pear, is a sort of blossoming plants in the cactus family, Cactaceae. Prickly pear cactuses have green cushions called cladodes that seem to be huge smooth paddles. These cladodes include a layer of spikes called areoles, which sprout huge spines that assist the plant with shielding itself from predators. Palatable prickly pear natural products, prickly pears, and yellow or pink cactus blossoms with layers of tepals develop off the closures of the plant's cushions. 12 Opuntia varieties. There are more than 180 Opuntia species, large numbers of which fill in unfathomably various environments with changing qualities. Here are the absolute most well-known types of prickly pear. When to plant Opuntias? By and large, it's ideal to establish prickly pear and right on time to pre-summer or summer in light of the fact that these plants flourish in bright and low dampness conditions. Most prickly pear species fill best in USDA Hardiness Zones 9 through 11, however a few cold tough animal groups like humifusa can endure zones as low as 4. Numerous Opuntia varieties develop well inside and outside, however spring and summer are the best times to proliferate cuttings. How to grow prickly pear cactus? Prickly pear cactus can assume control more than 3 years to develop from seed. So specialists prescribe proliferating your desert plants through cuttings to accelerate the interaction. You can get these cuttings at your nearby plant store or through specialty mail-away administrations. Follow this manual for develop prickly pear cactus from cuttings. Get a cactus cushion from a prickly pear plant that is something like a half-year old. Utilize a sharp blade or a couple of sterile shears to clip one of the cushions from the cactus plant. Lay your stem portions on a towel in an obscure and dry region for 7 days until the cut end forms a callus. How to care for prickly pear cactus? Prickly pears are low support, requiring almost no care and consideration regarding flourish. Here are some fundamental prickly pear care tips. 1. Wear defensive stuff to deal with. Prickly pear cactus cushions highlight sharp fibers that can be destructive if inappropriately took care of. Use tongs or wear long-sleeved shirts and defensive gloves while dealing with your prickly pears. 2. Eliminate harmed cushions. Prickly pears are so low support that they don't require a lot pruning. However, you ought to eliminate any harmed or dead cushions when you notice them. 3. Keep away from compost. Prickly pears don't require manure except if you notice that their rich green tone is blurring. Apply an even compost to the dirt to prepare your plant.